Hello and welcome to this tutorial about setting up the email. Now that you have purchased the hosting for your website and you also have the option of adding business email accounts, from the cPanel, you need to go to the email accounts section, click on create, select the domain name if you have multiple domains for which you want to create an email. For example, if I want an email support@codewaysacademy.com, so I will have to select the domain codewaysacademy.com, and in the username I would write support. Next, you need to add a password and then select the storage space that you want to allocate to this specific email. And then finally, click on create. Once you have created the email, now what you want to do is you want to forward the incoming emails onto probably a Gmail account so that you can access your business email from the Gmail itself. How do we do that is, under the emails section, click on forwards, select the domain and click on add forwarder. Now select the address to forward. For example, here I want contact@ramaedutech.com to be forwarded. Then you need to enter the destination email address where you want the emails to be forwarded to, and click on add forwarder. As you can see, the message reads, all emails sent to contact@ramaedutech.com will now be copied to the new Gmail account that I have mentioned. Now let us say I have sent an email to contact@ramaedutech.com. Now how do you check that is by going to the email account and click on check email from the cPanel. And here you can select any of the webmail client and click open. Once you open the email in the web email client, you will see the email that you have received. This is what I see in the cPanel. Now I need to check if the same email has been sent to the Gmail account that I added to as a forwarder. Refresh, and yes, here I can see the same email in the Gmail account itself. Okay, so this is how you can add forwarding. Now you do not have to log into the cPanel and go to the webmail client all the time to check the emails for a specific business mail account. You can check it from within the Gmail itself. So now that we have set up the email forwarder, we can receive the email in our Gmail account. But we would also want to send an email from the Gmail account itself, but with the email ID of the business email that we have. For that, we need an SMTP server. Go to smtp2go.com and try SMTP2go free. Now enter the email. After you have signed up and logged into the SMTP2go account, on the dashboard, click on SMTP users under settings, add SMTP user, now add the username, that is the Gmail ID, and a password. Save. This has been added successfully. Now you need to go back to your Gmail account. Click on Setting, see all settings. Alright, so from the settings, go to Accounts and Import, Send Mail As, add another email address. Write the name that you want to appear as the sender of the email. In the email address, write the address for which you have set up the forwarder, that is the business email ID. Next step, add the username and the password for the Gmail account that you created on SMTP2Go. That is here, and the server name. The server name is here. Copy. Paste. Next is the port is 25 and secured connection using TLS, and add account. Now you will have to enter the verification code. As you can see, I received the email into my Gmail account, which was sent to contact@CodeWizAcademy. From here, copy, which was sent to contact@ramaedutech.com. From here, copy the confirmation code, enter the code and verify. Now let us try sending an email. So click on Compose. From the drop-down menu, you can select the email ID from which you want to send. So I want to send it via the business email account to the Gmail account. And in the sent box, we can see that the email has been sent. So this is how you can access the business email into the Gmail, and you can also compose an email from the business email address from within the Gmail account itself. So that's about this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.